how are you? Welcome back to my channel Aparna's Home TV, your favorite destination for your everyday life. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to boil Toor Dal, that is like normal sambar dal, pressure cooker style. So this is one of the basic recipes that you need to know to make sambar or any dal dishes. You need to know how to boil the dal. So this is very easy to make. So let's go and see how to boil the dal perfectly every time you do it, without the water oozing out of the pressure cooker. How to do it perfectly. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is how Toor Dal looks like. There are so many different types of dals. This is what South Indians mostly use in their sambars, various type of dals. Even North Indians also use the same dal. So today we are going to see how to boil this dal. So I'm taking 1 cup of dal. I'm taking a pressure cooker to boil my dal. So just pour the dal into the pressure cooker and we'll wash the dal at least 2 times and then we'll pour the water. I washed the dal, wash it nicely, and we are going to add exactly 2 cups of water. That's what you need, and done. Don't add salt at this stage because it won't let the dal boil. So make sure your dal is in water. Keep the lid on. And I'm going to use my small stove. This is the small stove in my stove. If you don't have small stove like this, just put it on little less than medium heat. You don't want too high heat to boil, because if you boil like that, your dal may not boil completely, and if you use too low heat, it will spoil the dal, it will mash up the dal. You don't want to mash up the dal, you want to cook the dal perfectly. For that you need the right heat. So I like to use small stove. Look at the heat. And if you are using a bigger stove like this, just put it little bit less than medium. So we are going to give it 2 pressure whistles. So after 2 pressure whistles, I will show you how the dal looks like. We got 2 pressures. So I'm going to off the stove and let it sit until the pressure is totally gone from the pressure cooker. Don't hurry up and open it up. What it does is it will cook the dal a little bit more so that it is perfect for us. So let the pressure go. It will approximately take 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll show you after 10 to 15 minutes. Pressure is gone from my cooker, so let's slowly open it. Look how perfectly it is done. Take one out and you will see, right, perfectly cooked. I'll show you so many recipes that you can do with it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please do subscribe to stay updated about my videos. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Bye guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.